How to connect Samsung TV to Xfinity Wi-Fi hotspot. Turn on your Samsung TV and access the home menu. Navigate to the settings option using your remote control. Select networks and then Wi-Fi settings from the menu. Choose your Xfinity Wi-Fi hotspot from the available network list. Enter your password for your Xfinity Wi-Fi hotspot if prompted. Wait for the Samsung TV to establish a connection to Wi-Fi. Confirm the successful connection to the Xfinity Wi-Fi hotspot. Exit the settings menu and return to the home screen. Access streaming apps or browse contents using the internet connection. Ensure a stable Wi-Fi signal for uninterrupted streaming or browsing. Hope you understood the entire topic. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.